Another solo video. So we'll discuss the solo in the track window. Uh, so if the track is playing and if you want to solo something, so you first go to the solo mode. I'll use the shortcut switch. Then it goes into solo mode, and then you hear whatever the play button is enabled. You hear those tracks. It's the same thing as the mixer window where whatever is play enabled soloed in the solo mode will be playing. But suppose if you are in another place and if you just want to hear this, again you option click that track, so you'll be able to hear this track. uh, Only thing is that the auxes have to be solo exempt, that's it. uh, Again, so I just press the option and that track and I'll be able to hear that track, but it has to be in the solo mode. Suppose if you are not in the solo mode and if you option click that track will be play enabled, uh, and it will be showing that it's play enabled, but the solo exempt tracks will be switched off, so you'll not be able to hear anything. So it has to be in the solo mode. Uh, Again, if you have to, I mean, now only this track is on and I need to switch on everything. So for that, you press command click any other track and everything will be on, and then you press that again so that you have everything play enabled. If by mistake you solo the track without being in the solo mode, so this happens actually. So I'll again explain what happens. So if I'm not in the solo mode and if I option click one track, the solo exempt tracks get switched off. So again I'll press the command click and then get back them. In the sequence window again, if I want to listen to only this track, I have to go in a solo mode and then just press option click the track which I want to hear. I'll be able to hear those tracks.